Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and message your coach on Ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started using the application. So to be able to see this home page, first thing you need to do is to go ahead and buy a subscription if you do not already have one, or start a free trial because you cannot use the Ladder for free. So once you've done that, as you can see right here at the bottom of the screen, you're going to have the themes section from where we can get started selecting what team we want to be on. You can see scroll multiple teams right here and select which one works the best for your workout regime, and now we can get started with messaging our coach. So what we can do is navigate to the dedicated chat tab right here at the bottom of the screen. You have the chat tab. So basically guys, this is going to give you access to your teammates, community chats, and your messages, from where you can get started with communicating with different teammates and coaches. But first thing you need to do is complete the welcome workout. Here on the main page we have the welcome workout where you can get started opening it up and completing it. Once you've done that, you can get started using the chat feature, talking with your coach, managing your routine, and so on, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.